example 9 is just an easy way to see if you have a polynomial, you can just find the limit by standard substitution. So this would be 5 times 4 minus 3 times 2 plus 1. So 20 minus 12 plus 1, which would be, I'm sorry, not 12. 20 minus 6 plus 1. So 21 minus 6 would give you 15. So that's the limit. Okay, this example 10 is using a property. We have x times cosine 2x, and we want the limit as it approaches 0. So we can say we have the limit as x approaches 0 of 0 times cosine of 0, which is 1. So 0 times 1 equals 0. So that example would be 0. All right, let's try substitution. Negative 1 on the bottom does not give us 0, so we're in good stead. Negative 1 squared is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So on the bottom we have 2, and then we have 3 plus 2 minus 1. 3 plus 2 minus 1 would be 4, so I got 2 for that answer. Again, direct substitution worked just fine. All right. So example 12 looks like if you put a 3 in the bottom, you're going to get 0, and if you put a 3 in the top, you're going to get 0, 0. Now, you could do L'Hopital. Probably faster to do L'Hopital, but maybe not, because we know that we can simplify this. This is not a simplified expression. So this is x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. So we're really just taking the limit as x goes to 3 of x plus 3, and you get 6. So you get x equals 6. You could use L'Hopital, and you would get 2x over 1, and if you substitute 3 in, you get 6 also. All right, so that was example 12. Now, example 13, the old way, if you couldn't use L'Hopital, you would factor both of those. So let's do it that way. Now, remember, this is factoring a trinomial, so a equals x and b equals 2. So in this case, it would be a plus b, and then a squared minus ab plus b squared. Remember that? You're supposed to know that by heart. So that would be x plus 2, and then x squared minus 2x plus 4. And so then on the bottom, the x plus 4, x minus 2, x squared minus 4 factors to x plus 2, and x minus 2. So the 2's would cross out, and now you have the limit as x approaches 2. You get, oh, I'm sorry, I wrote this wrong. It's supposed to be negative 2, so shoo. So negative 2, which is negative 4 on the bottom. So negative 4, and then on the top you would get 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 12 over negative 4, or negative 3. Now, let's use L'Hopital, because how come we can do it? Well, negative 8 plus 8 is 0, and negative 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So you had 0 over 0, so that means L'Hopital can apply. So you can say the limit as x approaches negative 2, and take the derivative of the top, 3x squared, and the bottom would be 2x. You still get, let's see, no, I think that's okay. You can do, that's 3 times 4 over negative 4, so there's your 12 over negative 4, and you get negative 3 again. So either way would work. Long way, L'Hopital way. Okay, I'm going to stop there because I want to do the next little box that's on your notes by itself.